Samsung recently updated its earbuds category with the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Truthfully, these buds work best when paired with the newest Samsung smartphones. Doing so unlocks next-gen AI capabilities, including live translation, interpretation, and adaptive EQ functionalities. So, what is the release date of the next gen of Samsung earbuds? Samsung has released a variety of true wireless earbuds over the last 5 years. From the unsealed Galaxy Buds Live to the ANC behemoth Buds 2 Pro, fans have many choices. Sure, most of the company's best features are sealed behind an increasingly high wall. However, if you own a Samsung smartphone, you'll struggle to find a better companion for your device than the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. As expected, there has been no official confirmation from Samsung about the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. However, given the company remains one of the biggest players in the smartphone arena, I expect it will update its flagship earbuds category in the future. Samsung is reasonably predictable when refreshing its Galaxy Buds Pro earbuds. For example, the original Galaxy Buds Pro launched on January 14, 2021. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro followed 1 year and 7 months later on August 26, 2022. The company's latest Galaxy Buds 3 Pro launched 2 years later on August 28, 2024. By that metric, we should expect the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro to arrive during the summer of 2026. About the price, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro came to market at $249.99, suggesting the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro could cost roughly $269.99 when they eventually materialize. This is significantly higher than the fan-favorite Sony WF-1000XM5, which can frequently be found for a discounted price of $199.99. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro will need a cheaper price tag to remain competitive.
Stay tuned to get the latest news and updates about the next Samsung Galaxy Buds. And don't forget to click on the bell. Otherwise, you may not receive notification when I upload.